Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a DIY mini sketchbook, so let's jump right in. First, you will need the paper. The paper I'm using today is from my sketchbook, which is the Canson Mixed Media Sketchbook. The size of my paper is 9 by 12 inches, but your paper can be any size and can be any paper of your choice. I divided my paper into 8 different sections, each measuring 3 by 4 inches. You can adjust the sizes according to your preference. My sketchbook is going to have 8 pages in it, but you can adjust that as well. Using a ruler and my craft knife, I cut everything out. You can also use scissors, of course. So once I have all of my paper cut out, I'm going to gather everything together. Then I'm going to hold my paper together with a paper clip. If you have too many pages or your paper is too thick, you can always use a binder clip instead. Now I'm going to use some PVA glue on the edge of my notepad, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of that. I'm using regular school glue for this part as it has PVA in it, but you can use any glue that you have as long as it's PVA and acid free. I held that between 2 books and then let it dry, then applied a second coat. Now we can make the covers. I measured my covers once again just to double check. Then I drew out the dimensions of my front cover onto a cereal box cardboard. You can use any cardboard of your choice. Then I measured the spine of the book, which measured 1/8 of an inch. I drew out the spine, then drew out the back cover. Then I cut my covers out. So at the end it looks something like that. So we're going to now, as you can see, that's how it's going to be like. Now I'm going to score the spine lines using a pen and some pressure. Then I folded those edges. Now to make my cover look a little bit more pretty, I covered it with some scrapbook paper. So I traced my cover onto that. Then I cut that out. I applied some glue onto the spine of the cover. I glued that down first and then applied some glue onto the rest of the covers. I've noticed if you apply glue to the spine first, it prevents warping. By the way, I'm using a glue stick for the covers. I don't think I mentioned that. Alright, now we can put everything together. So as you can see, the book has basically dried, but the edge of it is kind of wonky. So I'm going to fix that with a ruler and a craft knife. I'm going to slide my craft knife across the edge slowly, and that's slowly going to cut through the layers of paper, and it's going to give me a nice clean edge. Now we can attach the book with the cover. I once again took the same PVA glue and I applied that to the spine part of the cover. Then I applied, using a glue stick, I applied a layer of glue onto the back cover of the cover. And then I held everything together. Then, using a paper clip, I held the spine together. Once again, I put everything between some heavy books. You can also use a book press for this part, but I don't own a book press, so I just put it between some books, and it works just fine. Once it's dry, you can sort of pull on the cover a little bit, on the pages a little bit. Then I took a pair of scissors and I cut the edges a little bit. Then once again, I took my ruler and craft knife and I glided that across the edges to get a nicer edge. And that's it. Our mini sketchbook is done. I think it turned out so cute and lovely. Be sure to give this DIY a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!